And we are talking about this viral pink setting powder, and I've got my hands on the Easy Bake and Snatch by Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. So this is a pressed powder. They actually come in loose powder forms as well, but they have talc, and I'm trying to use talc-free products. So there are multiple other setting powders that are pink setting powders that are loose. But they all have talc. So this was the only one that I found and I had to try it. I've also read great things about this particular pressed powder that people use under the eyes to create that snatched look. And you know what? It says it's a cherry blossom color. So of course we've got to try it out. What I love is that it just comes like that. It looks exactly like a pressed powder. It's got a little pink tinge. And this one comes with a little sponge attached that you can use. So I'm just going to go ahead, use the same sponge that it came with. Love the fact that I don't need to use a different applicator. Dab it in and put it under my eyes. It also comes with a great big mirror, so I don't need a separate mirror to try it out. But I'm just gonna take it in and review for you guys. Just take in a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. You don't even need as much as I've taken. Can you guys already see the difference? I feel like I don't even need concealer on. I just have a skin tint right now, and I literally use the powder under here. But let me show you exactly what I did on this eye. I can already tell the difference, and I really feel like I don't need concealer at all. I'm just swiping through, taking that much and dabbing under my eye, taking a little bit more just to put in that corner to create that snatched look. And guys, I think this is game changer. I feel like if I did use it to set my concealer, it would be all I needed for my eyes. It has already brightened it to the point where if I'm feeling like it's a day where I don't need concealer, I can totally go with just the powder and a skin tint and I will be good to go. So I am loving it. It has brightened my eyes because of the pink color and the pink tint. This viral pink powder, or at least any viral pink powder, is definitely a must try. As much as they say, oh no, you know what, for Indian skin tones it could sort of oxidize or not look great, I beg to differ. This actually has changed the game for me with pink setting powder, and I love the fact that this one is also talc free, and this might be super easy to sort of travel with so that you don't have that fallout. I'm definitely going to try and use this maybe at a later time all over my face, see if it works for that as well. But this one's particularly for under the eye, and because it's brightening, but you know what, we could all need a bright face. So this is genuinely the easy